Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make crochet ribbing. Now, I have done this in a single crochet, but you can do this in double crochet or half double crochet as well. So this is particularly used for creating a snug fit. So I'm going to use this for a top. Now, let's quickly start with the video. We're going to start off by making a slip knot. We'll make an X on our fingers for that, and we'll quickly make a slip knot with that. Now after this, we're going to start chaining, and I'm going to make a total of 11 chains. So you can make it as wide as you want. You just have to increase the number of chains. After making 11 chains, we are going to, these are 10, this is 11th, we're going to skip that first chain, and in the second chain we're going to make one single crochet. Now in the next chain we're going to make one single crochet. So this whole row will be one single crochet in each chain. So there is no such thing as, like, you can have as many chains as you want. You don't have to make in the multiples of any number. Just add one for the turning chain. Once we've made our 10 single crochets, our row will somewhat look like this. Now moving on, we're going to chain one and turn around our work. And now in the very first stitch, we're going to make one single crochet only in the back loop of our stitch. So we insert our hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through, and pull through both the loops. Now again we insert our hook in only the back loop of our stitch, yarn over, pull through both. So you see there is this V which is created when we make a stitch. So we ignore the front loop and we crochet only in the back loops. Now this gives us the ribbing effect. I'm just going to make this row with you guys so that you can have clarity over how to actually go ahead. Left with some stitches. That's our last stitch. Even there we'll just crochet in the back loop, and here our row 2 is done. You see that rib has already started forming. Now we're going to chain one and turn around our work, and now again we're going to make a single crochet in the back loop of our stitch. Again, back loop of our stitch, we're going to make one single crochet. And we're going to continue making these. Also, if you're not very good with the basic stitches, I have separate detailed videos for all of them. I'll be linking all of them in the description box below. Also, everything that I'm using in the video will be linked in the description box below, so please go and check it out. I'm gonna do this row with you guys as well. And this is how ribbing is done. So it is very easy. You just have to crochet in the back loops. for every row. So you see our ribbing has already started to form. Now I'm just going to continue doing my ribbing, and I'll see you once I'm done. Once done, it should somewhat look like this. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, you can do this in half double crochets or even double crochets. So the technique remains the same. You just have to crochet in the back loops of your stitches. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!